Welcome to WEEX, a secure and fast crypto trading platform. Today we'll walk you through how to use the P2P feature on WEEX to buy crypto easily with your local fiat currency. Follow these steps for a smooth and secure P2P trading experience. Step 1. Go to the P2P trading page. Open WEEX app and use the P2P button on the home screen. Identity verification is required for P2P trading. Step 2. Set up your payment method. Click the profile icon in the bottom right corner and go to the User Center page. Scroll down to Payment Method and select Add Method. Enter and add your payment details. Make sure the payment method account name matches the name you used for identity verification. Step 3. Set your preferences. Now, back on the P2P page, select the crypto you want to purchase, such as USDT or BTC, at the top of the screen. Next, enter the amount you'd like to spend in your local currency. A list of available advertisers will appear. For a safer P2P trading experience, choose verified merchants marked with a badge. Step 4. Place your buy order. When you find a suitable seller, select Buy USDT. Then fill in the order details. Next, enter the amount you'd like to spend in your local currency. Choose your preferred payment method. Select Buy USDT to confirm. For example, if you want to buy USDT with VND, select USDT, then choose VND. Verified merchant ads will be displayed. Enter the amount, pick your payment method, and use the Buy USDT button to confirm the order. Step 5. Confirm payment after the P2P order is placed. Carefully review the amount and order details to make sure everything is correct. Complete the payment within the required time. Now please open your bank app or third-party payment tool and transfer the funds to the seller based on the order details. Note, the payment amount must match the order exactly. Do not include sensitive words such as crypto, BTC, or P2P in the payment notes. Once the transfer is successful, return to the WEEX app and click Transfer Complete to notify the seller. Reminder, do not cancel the order after you've made the payment. If someone asks you to cancel, it's likely a scam. If you fail to confirm payment before the timer runs out, the system will automatically cancel the order, and any funds you've already transferred cannot be refunded. Step 6. Receive your crypto. Please wait patiently for the seller to confirm the payment and release the crypto. The crypto will be released to your WEEX funding account once the seller confirms your payment. You can go to the funding account page to check your balance. WEEX P2P, simple, secure, and seamless. Start your P2P journey today and buy crypto with ease.